Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al. Got a challenge lock called First 100 by Mr. Pickaholic. And get the camera zoomed in a little bit here. And I decided to do something even more special. Well, here's a slow your roll, Al. There's the bitting on, whoops, there's the bitting on the key. That's how I got it, and it does work. Just tried it like butter. I mean, like a brand new lock. So well done there, sir. And like I was gonna say, a while back there, Pickaholic also sent me this awesome homemade pick, or at least he made the handle on it. I don't know. I know some people make the whole thing, and some people just make handles on them. But that was from Pickaholic. So thank you again for that, Pickaholic. I do appreciate it. So I'm gonna use that to pick this lock, or I'm gonna try to anyway. That's the plan. So let's go with the top of the keyway, which is my favorite. It's pretty loose, but that's alright. And there is a nice ledge on this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and pick right off that ledge if I can, and see if we can't get into this bad boy right here. Get a quick feel for it. Alright, we got a binder around 3 or 4 right off the bat. Springy up front. Yep, it's around 4, I think, right off the bat. Okay, so let's reset and go for it. Here we go. Here we go. Yep. Springy up front. 4. I think it's 4. Nice little click. Or 2 or 3 or 4. Alright. Backing out. Nothing. Go back in. Okay, I'm guessing 4 isn't done then. Nope, screwed it up. Might have overset. See, there we go again. Couple little clicks. Okay, now it feels like it's set. Oh, a little more. A little more. Okay, now we want to do a false set off of that one pin. Okay, I'm coming back out to 2, counter rotation. Nice little click. Still got a false set. Two, 3. Oh, just got a little bit more rotation off of, I think I touched 4, up 5. Well, it keeps falling over. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on now. Now we're kind of stuck in a false set here. Let's see what's holding us up. 4, 5. I think it's 5. If I can get under it. Hmm. 4, maybe. It's a long way back. 5. Yep, we've got us a deep spool or something. We're going to find out where it is. 3, 4. Got a counter on 4, so I'm going to have to try it. Oh. Lost that. Oh, got back into that false set. Wasn't 4. Not sure where it is. Pin 1 maybe? Could it be? Oh, lost it. See if we can get it back. Oh, that's deep. There's a trap in there somewhere. Where you at, booger? Yep. There's a trap in there somewhere. Two, three, back into that deep fall set. It's got me running in circles. Oh, nice and deep. Get under 5. See if I can set 5 without oversetting everything. Got me again. Oh, that's a real booger, huh? There we go. I'll be darned. That's one tricky sucker right there, boy. That was freaking awesome. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's get pulled back out here a little bit, a lot of bit. That was freaking way cool right there, man. Pickaholic. Thank you so much for pinning that bad boy up. And that was sent to me by Squint recently, so thank you. Appreciate it. That was freaking awesome. Okay, let's come down over here. What do we got on top? We got white. White on top. I just rotate them out. That's what I've been doing. Good on the camera, I guess. Maybe a little bit. Okay, bada boom. We are very much open. Fair enough. We got a key so I can lock it back up. And we got a spring clip type thing on the back here. Let's see. Might be able to pop it without too much trouble. Yep. Well, if I can get under it. I just ordered one of those tools. Now I think, oh, that stays on. Okay, I was going to say that might come off. I guess it just slides through. The whole thing slides through. We'll find out in a minute. But there's a gap there. I hope there's not a T-pin in there. Well, let's see. See if we can shim it. Yeah, because there's a gap where that back piece is right there, so kind of sketchy about that. All right. See what we got here. Pins are over there on that side. Nice. 5-pinner. They all needed picking. Very nice. Let's get them laid out here. Nice. Yeah, buddy. That's why it was so dang. Had me going back and forth, had me running in circles. That was awesome. Whoops. Alright. Let me get my specs on so I can see as good as the camera. And I'm going to look. We've got, they look a little wore down maybe, but there's threading in 1, 2, and 3. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up because they're pretty. Oh, see, now I'm seeing threading. Well, Looks like they are, but they're done either wore out or just smooth. I don't know. We'll try to pick it up. They're pretty smooth. Alright, that's what we got upstairs. Bada boom, bada bing. Tell which way is the fun on this guy, so. Alright. Nicely. Whoa, multi-serrated. If I can get it out of there. Let's see, it was that way, I believe. Little spring. Try to hold that upright. Multi-serrated. Little spring. That's why I started doing this follower with the groove that way. I don't know why I wasn't doing that from the beginning, but it keeps the pins from falling over, so you can keep their orientation correct. Just a little bent. Yeah, that was 3, so 4. Nice. Spool action with a sharp top. Nicely made. A little spring, and we can go to the other side and get 5. Ooh, yeah, buddy. That's why I was getting hung up. It came out this way. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Well played, sir. Well played. That was phenomenal. I really, really enjoyed that one. Really did. It was beautiful. We've got, I don't see any or feel any mods to the Bible part, the top part. Nada. That was freaking awesome, I'll tell you what. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's a nice way to bring a work day to its end, huh? Pick an awesome challenge lock. Alright, I'm going to bring the camera down flat so we can see the pins real good. Like so. And again, that was First 100 by Pickaholic. So thank you, Pickaholic and Squint, for sending it to me. I do highly appreciate it. Okay. Key pins. We've got a, I'd almost call that a serrated spool because it's spool-like with serrations in it. We've got a multi-serrated in 2. Again, like a serration on the top of a spool. Single serration in 4. This one's serrated and it's got a reduced top on it in number 5. And then drivers, we got, again, almost spool with, I guess serrated spool we can call that almost, or just multi-serrated. 2 is definitely triple serrated. This one's same thing but light serrations, not so deep as this one. Obviously a gnarly, awesome spool in number 4 and number 5. I bet you that's what kept me going back and forth, man. It worked really good. It was very cool. And it looks like we got all copper or brass, whatever they're made out of, unless this one is, nope, it's not magnetic. So alright, very awesome, very awesome. There it is. Big out, signing off.